this July 2018, currently 3:12 p.m. Arizona time. For the third day in a row, third trading day that is, in a row, we are covering Bitcoin. Today we have some interesting formations that happened. We had a double top and we closed lower than the day before. Double top is the strongest top there is nowadays. Back in the old days when I was a younger lad, a triple top was the strongest top there was. Now it's a double top. So not to get too detailed with you, because this is an educational course for simple trading, I'll mention to you that a double top and it closes lower than the day before, if it does not take out yesterday's high tomorrow, or in essence today's high tomorrow, which is just slightly lower than the day before's high, but if it takes out day before yesterday's high tomorrow, it will negate the key reversal to the downside. Now, this is a pretty serious key reversal, and I'm going to explain this a little more. On the daily chart, currently Bitcoin is at 82.96, okay? And we were recommending to short Bitcoin yesterday right around 83.35, that sort of area. So anybody that shorted Bitcoin on the recommendation yesterday, you are slightly in the money right now, unless you're in the options market way out of the money, and then I doubt if it moved your position. But again, not to be too complex, we are using the fast and slow stochastics, which are currently at 93.7 and 90.19 respectively. All right. So you want to be a seller on the Bitcoin for your third trade, okay, at 82.9750, or if your last trade was higher than we're currently at, don't put on a third trade. And the way I do it is you never want to dollar cost average for your position. You only want to dollar cost average against your position. So in essence, what I'm saying is if you are a contrary trader, which I am, if everybody's long, which obviously everybody's going long in Bitcoin, I'm looking for a reason to go short or stay on the sidelines. If everybody wants to sell Bitcoin, I'm looking for a reason to buy it or stay on the sidelines, okay? So our study indicators truly are maxed out right now. So you want to be a seller on Bitcoin in the daily chart at 82.99 if in fact it's higher than the position you put on yesterday. If not, I would stay away from Bitcoin. And again, I would be a buyer on Bitcoin at 56.91. And of course, past performance never ever guarantees future profits. Be sure to stay tuned for the market update tomorrow with Russell Calkins. If Bitcoin stays where it's at or goes higher, we'll be back on the Bitcoin. That would be just a fantastic trade. And once again, explaining why I like to do a four-part system, okay? I take the amount of money, risk capital, that I can afford to lose, okay? Divide it into 4 parts, okay? If you're shorting the market, some people believe that you should never continue to back up a bad trade. Well, my first trade isn't a bad trade. My first trade, according to the study signals I use, and I've been doing this for 40 years, is that they're maxed out right now. So if it goes up even higher, they're stretching the rubber band even further. And what happens when you stretch a rubber band out? When it finally snaps, it goes a long ways. Normally, markets go up 3/4 of the time, like in silver, and it goes down 1/4 of the time. So your down movements in a lot of markets like silver, gold, and Bitcoin, you'll notice that the drops are pretty dramatic, and then it takes a while to build it back up again. All right, So thanks for tuning into the market update with Russell Calkins, and may God bless you.